Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how did I get silverfish? No, I don't mean silver fish from the sea. I mean destructive little insects that eat fabric and paper products. This is a common question amongst homeowners and book collectors. If you suddenly started seeing silverfish in your home, they most likely came in from outside or were brought in from boxes and other stored products. Silverfish are attracted to moisture, so if you've been seeing them in your home, you've probably noticed them in places like your bathroom, kitchen, attic, or other places where high moisture can occur. If you're tired of seeing these bugs crawl up and down your pristine walls, here are a couple control measures you can take to get rid of them. First, reduce the moisture in your home by using fans, dehumidifiers, and air conditioning. Check your pipes for any leaks and repair them to prevent any water buildup. By reducing your home's moisture content, silverfish are more likely to stay outdoors where they belong. Then, set traps and bait like Deco Silverfish Packs and Phycam to attract and kill any silverfish inside your home. These baits contain boric acid, a common chemical used to kill silverfish and many other pests. Be patient, and before you know it, your silverfish problem will be gone and you'll have a nice dry home. Just be sure to moisturize to keep your skin pretty. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. If you suddenly started seeing silverfish in your home, they most likely came in from outside, or were brought in from boxes and other stored products. Perfect. See, I told you, one more time, baby. Now, the other 99 times that I say one more time and we do it 50 more times, that doesn't count. But this one, I told you, man.